Hi friends, I'm back with another new amazing tutorial, water dripping photo editing tutorial. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. If you are first time coming to my channel, please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends, okay? Simply follow my video and you can also edit exactly like this. Okay, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will give link in the description. Okay, for this no need of any PNGs or like that. Simply follow my video, watch till the end and edit your image exactly like you seen in thumbnail. Okay, this is the one type and this is the another type you can see. Okay, and this is the second type. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. Now let's check in the video without wasting time. First of all, you have to open Picsart application. See you there.